Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. It's 2017 Can-Am SPYDER F3 SE6 with 16,267 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Voodoo slip-on muffler, an Atlas throttle lock, Can-Am accessory seat, Can-Am driver and passenger backrests, a Can-Am windshield, Can-Am low-brow front fenders, and wide handlebars. The SPYDER is a dynamic vehicle that gives riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of three wheels. Powered by a 1300cc three-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 988 pounds and has a 26.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.